What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do just like a get ready with me kind of transformation. We're gonna do a little bit of skincare and mostly makeup. I have not had the chance to wear makeup because for those of you who live in the US and watch my channel, I live in Ontario, Canada, and literally we're still in lockdown. We've kind of been in lockdown like off and on, so it'll be off for like 3 weeks and then we're back on lockdown for like 2 months and then off and then on. It's not been fun. So I haven't really been playing with makeup and I miss it. And then when I go on Instagram and I see so many beautiful, amazing people doing such amazing looks, it just inspires me. So I'm feeling inspired today. I really want to do my makeup and I'm heavily inspired by Nazanin Kavari today. I came across her Instagram reel, I think she did. I don't know if it was a reel. I think it was a reel. And she did like a really beautiful baby pink, like just super simple eye that looked so incredible. And I instantly was like, I need to do that. I'm gonna do that. So here we are today, full pink theme. I got the pink track pants on, we got the pink top. We're going full Barbie pink today. So I'm really excited to just do my makeup and get glam. So I figured I would turn on the camera and do it with you guys. So I did already do my hair. I wanted to go for something just sleek and simple, but I did like a little bit of a side part just to kind of give a little bit of like a baby doll twist. Since we're doing like baby pink, I kind of just thought the side part was really cute and different. So before we get into the makeup, I want to do a little bit of skincare. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love how modern our society is nowadays. The reality is you don't really need to go to like professional salons to get clinical grade quality at home these days. So I want to give a huge shout out to Cure for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm going to share with you guys their LED mask, which I was amazed by when they first reached out to me, and I was super interested in trying because I've seen so many people and so many celebrities really loving LED masks. So I figured I should go ahead and try it. So I received this a few weeks ago and I've been trying it ever since and I'm completely obsessed. This is the perfect addition to my at-home facials. You guys know I love my little at-home facials and spa days, and this is just perfect. I love how convenient it is too. You can pop it on and get chores done and do other things. So if you're unfamiliar with what these are LED lights, and they basically provide really high quality wavelengths of light that penetrate really deep into your skin. It treats anti-aging, it treats acne. It also helps to eliminate breakout causing bacteria. So this is perfect for those of you who have acne or get pimples just like I do. So it's going to prevent that bacteria so that it can prevent future flare-ups or future pimples and acne. Helps to boost collagen naturally, which I don't know about you guys, I'm always looking for ways to boost collagen just because as we get older, our natural collagen production does decrease. So you need collagen to look young and fresh. So I'm about it. And one thing that's really big for me, I don't know if you guys are noticing, but my face is a lot less red. I've never been like diagnosed with rosacea, but I've always kind of known that I've had rosacea, and every time I've gotten a facial and anytime I've seen beauty estheticians and like been to them, they've always said, yeah, that's definitely like a little bit of rosacea. But I don't know if you guys can see, my skin looks so much more clear. My skin is nowhere near as red and flared up as it used to be. This helps to reduce inflammation and rosacea and redness. So I've noticed a huge improvement in my skin. I've also just noticed my skin is so much more clear. Just my overall tone is so much more even as well. I actually used mine last night just because I knew I was filming today and I wanted my skin to be camera ready and perfect. So this is a huge addition to my skincare routine. It is super easy to connect to the Cure app, and all you have to do is set what zone you want, or you can go ahead and select the full face and decide whether you want to focus on anti-aging or anti-breakout, and you go ahead, click start, and it starts your treatment. It's only 3 minutes long, so it is super quick and easy. I wanted to pop on and show you guys how the mask looks on the face. One thing I love about Cure is their entire brand is about bringing you clinical grade products at an affordable price that you can use at home, and you're getting the same technology and the same results that you would at a clinic. So this Cure Q Rejuvelate face wear has been a huge addition to my skincare, and I'm so thankful for it because I'm obsessed with the results. If you guys want to check it out, I am going to leave the link in the description box down below. Of course, you can get 10% off using my coupon code Amy10. So to get started with the makeup, I am going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. I've really been liking this lately over the past few months. This has just kind of been my go-to. It just leaves your skin with a nice like glass look. For foundation today, I am using the NARS Longwear in the shade Barcelona, and I'm actually just gonna put some in the back of my hand first. Also, please excuse my lips. I bit them over the weekend, which we know is a bad habit that I have. Concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. I believe this is the hydrating camo concealer. I also love the regular one, but this one's just really pretty. And I know it's quite shocking how light of a shade this is, but I like it. Once you blend it out, it just really gives such a nice highlight. So I mentioned to you guys that we're still in lockdown and it has not been fun. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, at the beginning of the pandemic, like when we were in lockdown, it wasn't really a big deal for me because it didn't feel like my life changed that much because I'm such a homebody and I also work from home. So my life just really didn't change that much. And I'm also, like I said, a homebody, so I really liked it. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I'm kind of over it at this point. I was good for like the first year, but now it's just like become a little redundant, and now is when I'm really starting to just get tired of it. I miss going to restaurants and just sitting there. I miss going to like family barbecues, like going to my parents' house and just having like barbecues. We can't really do that, and the weather's been so nice on certain days. It's still been super rainy here, but yeah, like I'm just kind of over it. I miss going on cute little lunch dates and seeing my family. It's just not been a vibe. It's funny because it really did take me a year to get tired of it. That's how you know I'm a homebody. But yeah, I am definitely getting sick of it at this point. I am ready to just like start being able to do things. For powder, I'm gonna take Pound Cake by Huda Beauty. Take my absolute fave, you guys know, the light, and I'm gonna apply it quite a bit higher than my natural contour because it's just gonna lift the face. Honestly, this technique really does help lift the face. Like, I can't even believe that I used to apply my contour down here before. Up here is the vibe. Like, really, it really lifts your face. And if you need a little extra help blending, I always love taking the bottom of my beauty blender where my foundation was. And look at that, it just blends everything and like marries everything together. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know this, but I have been obsessed with Desperate Housewives. I actually had one subscriber in particular, Instagram DM me and recommended it to me. It took me so long to finally start watching it, but I'm so happy that I did because it is literally so good. I'm completely obsessed. I already know you guys are gonna ask me who my favorite housewives are, so I'll just let you know. My favorite is definitely Gabby and Lynette. I absolutely love them. I do like Brie too, but I didn't like her in season 1, and her character development's been really good. I'm just completely obsessed with the show. Like, I love it so much. I'm already on season 4, and I literally just started watching it like a week and a half ago. Don't ask, I'm like the binge watching queen. I literally, if I'm binge watching a show, I will watch it while I'm cooking. I will watch it while I'm doing my hair. I will watch it while I'm editing and have it on the back. Like, I am the binge watching queen. I'm gonna top it off with the Benefit Hula. Let me know what shows you guys are currently binge watching, because I'm not gonna lie, I started watching Desperate Housewives because I was a little desperate, no pun intended, but I was just like, oh, let me just start it. Like, I wasn't sure if I would like it, you know? But I just was feeling kind of desperate because I didn't have anything else to watch. So I just started it, but I'm so happy that I did start it, of course. But let me know what shows you guys are watching so I can know what to watch next. So keeping up with the baby pink theme, we're gonna use my favorite baby pink blush. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I'm sorry for using this again. I know I've been like using it so much in my recent videos, but I'm totally obsessed with it. This is in the shade Bora Bora. It is so, so, so nice. And I just find that it applies nicely over powder, because as you can see, I've already kind of applied my bronzer powder, then I applied the baking powder. So like, I just need products that are gonna, you know, sit nicely on top of powder. And this really does. And as you can see, I'm applying my blush quite high as well. Because again, it's just the whole lifted technique. Instead of applying the blush right here, we're putting it up there, and it just keeps your face up and lifted and really slim. Look how pretty this looks. I'm feeling like a little Barbie, you guys. Like, I'm feeling good. Like, you can tell I haven't worn makeup in so long because the confidence level, it's rising, honey. Like, when I put on makeup, like, I go from cute bitch to bad bitch. And that's pretty much it, no highlight. A couple of you guys in my last makeup video were like, no highlight, are you insane? But I literally have not been wearing highlight. Call me crazy, but I have not been wearing highlight for literally for like a year, probably like a year and a half now. I'm just loving this like clean, matte, really smooth. So I'm gonna try some new brow products today because I received them in the mail and they just look good. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat in the shade Dark Brown. And it is a really teeny tiny, like angled brush. I don't know, it looks good. So I'm just kind of excited to try. I'm not gonna use a brow pen today, like my usual technique. Kind of just wanna do like my older technique that I used to do, which is just a brow pencil. And then I'm also gonna try the Charlotte Tilbury brow gels. This looks really good. This is the Micro Precision Tinted Brow Gel. I love how tiny that brush is. Let's see if the camera will focus. Like, look how tiny that little brush is. So I'm excited for that. Then I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Clear Brow Gel. Okay, this is nice. So for the baby pink eyes, I'm gonna improvise with what I have on hand. So the first thing I thought of was using a white base because it's really gonna make it pop. So what I did was I just put the e.l.f. blush right here on my hand, and then I put the NYX white base, and then I put the e.l.f. blush on top, and you can see right there, look at the color difference. It just made it pop. So I'm gonna start off first with the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. I love this eye pencil. I also use it as like a white liner for the waterline. I also just applied more of that white jumbo eye pencil on my brush. Now I'm gonna dip into this. I really hope this works out like I'm planning for it to. That's beautiful. The shape that we're applying it is kind of like bringing it up over here and making sure we bring it out a little bit just to give us, you know, a little cat eye shape. So I'm gonna take this beautiful pink right here. And just to actually lighten it up a bit, I'm gonna take this really light pink from the BH palette. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending out those edges. Make sure before you apply the powder, you just pat out any lines or creases. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing I just did to the upper lid to the lower lash. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use one of my favorite inner corner highlights, and this is the L'Oreal Time Resist White. So now I'm gonna do a wing liner. I'm gonna use my brow pen first just because I'm so comfortable with it to do wing liner, but this is a brown and I want black. So I'm just gonna do this first and then I'll go over it with black. Mascara. And I'm gonna apply falsies, but I'm gonna do that off camera so I can listen to some music. So I'm gonna try these for the first time. These are the Kiss My Lash But Better in the shade in the style No Filters. They look really pretty, so I'm gonna try these. Now for the waterline, I am also going to use that NYX. So for the lip, I'm gonna use the KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade 1. And then the shade 1.5, I'm just gonna use on the top. Then I'm gonna take the KKW lip in the shade Birthday Suit. Then I'm gonna take the KKW gloss in Nude 1. Also, I realized that I forgot to contour my nose. Like, what? I'm gonna take the Hoola bronzer. And lastly, I'm gonna take some of the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder because I just love how it makes my face look. It really does make my T-zone look really airbrushed. So just right on my pores. You see how, I don't know, that just like made it smoother right on my pores right there. So that is pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me do my makeup and just getting ready with me. I am completely obsessed with this look. I just feel like a pretty little Barbie doll, so I love it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take some pictures now. Fingers crossed that I get some good ones, because if not, you know, I mean, at least we got the video, but that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.